Good vibrations. Today we're going to talk about 3 ways you can raise your vibrations today. So let's talk about that. Amanda here from createyourfuture.co. So I'm a counselor, life coach, and a law of attraction coach. And today we're talking about 3 ways you can raise your vibrations to help you manifest anything you like, whether it be money, a job, building your business, or a specific person into your life. So just before I get started, definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon below if you haven't already, because I do put out new videos every Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, each one of them designed to help you create something wonderful in your life. So let's get right into it. 3 ways you can raise your vibrations. Because let's be honest, we need to raise our vibrations to manifest things, right? Or at least that's what we hear. So the first and foremost way to raise your vibrations about anything that you are looking to manifest is with your thoughts, okay? Your thoughts are energy. Your thoughts are vibrations. So your thoughts are the first thing that you can do to raise your vibration instantly. So for instance, let's say that you're manifesting a specific person. Keep your thoughts on positive intentions or positive affirmations or I am or I know statements or whatever about manifesting the other person. Think positive about them and the relationship that you want, because that is going to raise your vibration and you're going to be vibrating at that vibe, and then you are going to manifest that in your life. That is probably the most important thing to raise your vibration, okay? So if you say are manifesting money and you've got negative self-talk about money, the one way to raise your vibration about money and manifest it in your life is to change your thoughts about it. Change your thoughts. Make most, if not all, of your thoughts positive about money, and then you'll be vibrating at the same way as manifesting the money, and it'll come to you. So changing your thoughts throughout the day is the best way to raise your vibration to match what you're trying to manifest. So basically how that would look is, let's say for instance you're building a business, okay, well, and you want to get 2 new clients a week, okay? So all your thoughts would have to be in line with that for that to come through, because your thoughts are vibrations, they are energy. So if you were to say, oh, you know what, I'm just not doing enough marketing to get 2 new clients. No, I am doing enough marketing to get 2 new clients a week. I intend to get 2 new clients a week. It's easy to get 2 new clients a week. Okay, so right there with those intentions, that brings me to the vibration of 2 new clients a week. Let's say that you're manifesting a special person back into your life, or, getting an ex back, right? So you want to get your ex back, and, you guys had a big fight, right? And you're thinking, okay, well, he's probably mad at me and he'll never forgive me. Well, that's not raising your vibration, because you basically want him back and you want him to forgive you for that fight. So to raise your vibration to that, it's I intend for him to forgive me. I intend for him to want to be back with me, and he's a very forgiving, loving person. And that's going to start to manifest them back into your life, because your thoughts create, okay? So you want to make sure that your thoughts are in line with what you want, and that's going to instantly raise your vibration to manifesting what you want. Another way to raise your vibration, especially if you're having vibrations of doubt, does this work? Right? So the easiest way to stop doubting if your thoughts actually create is to go back and see other things that you've created. Focus on your previous manifestations, right? So as soon as you're like, oh man, you know what? I wanted him to text me, but he didn't text me. I don't know if this is working. No, you know what? Last week I manifested that coffee and I got those 2 new clients. No, I know my thoughts create. Go through and remind yourself of everything that you manifested. That's going to instantly raise your vibrations to, oh, hell yeah, this works, right? Like I am on top of this, okay? So you want to make sure that your thoughts are in line with what you want. That's really good. The second thing is to make sure that you focus on previous manifestations. They're going to make you feel good. If you're feeling good and having positive thoughts, you've raised your vibration. The third way, and the most common way that we hear of, is to be thankful and grateful. They work. To be thankful and to be grateful is a great way to bring your vibrations up. So let's say, for instance, I've had a fight with my boyfriend, right? And I would like for him to forgive me. And, and I think, oh, maybe he's upset at me. Maybe he won't forgive me. Well, I can tell you the quickest way to turn that around is to walk up to him and say, you know what, I'm really sorry that I did that. And thank you so much for being understanding and forgiving. I mean, immediately I'm creating that. I'm being thankful for something, and boom, I'm going to get it because I'm resonating right at that. I'm thankful. So being thankful also puts you in the mindset of looking for things that you have in your life and saying thank you for them. So you're going to get more of them. Everybody knows that when you're grateful for what someone does and you appreciate them for it, they want to do more of it, right? And it also puts you in the mindset of looking for things that you love, and that's going to make you feel good. And then that's going to raise your vibration, not to mention being thankful is a positive intention, which again is going to bring you vibrating right back up again. So our vibrations are merely our thoughts and our state of mind. And to vibrate at a higher frequency, the frequency of what you want is to keep your thoughts on it, to focus on the fact that, yes, you've manifested things before. That also makes you feel good, and to also think positive. Anyways, that's my video for today. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. And you know what? This has grown so much. You guys are all amazing. Love you all and have a great day. Bye-bye.